Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have Gaggia Academia. This machine was brought in because the machine wasn't sensing that there was no water in the machine. And I've got the tank empty right now so you can see. It says refill water tank. It's functioning now. Well, if you look inside, there is a water sensor inside the machine, and then there's also this little flap which helps to function to let the machine know whether there's water or not, or whether the water reservoir is installed or not. So this was actually broken off, and so we replaced that as well as the sensor deep inside. And it is a sensor inside as well as this, because you can see even if you hold this down, it doesn't go away. So it's a two-step process. All right, so put the empty reservoir back in the tank, as so, and we'll fill some water in here. Yep, and you can see it senses that there's water in now, and so that display goes away. All right, so that issue is resolved, and we'll test the machine's function. We'll just pull a shot. This machine came without the boost on it, so it's kind of a long way to fall, but I think it'll do just fine. Ooh, there it is. Good stream. I'll test some of the other functions here. Okay, we'll do some hot water first. Alright, see how water is functioning. And next we'll do some steam. Alright, there you have it. Machine's functions are all working, as well as the water sensor. Thank you for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.